Okay, quite honestly, I should have just taken you with me. It was simple. Sitting on that crack on crack was a little bit harder life, right? So it just went a little, where are we? I put my foot on that one, red one, slid down from that one, put my other foot right there. Bing bong. Oh, look at that rock. Look at that rock. I don't know exactly what it possibly is, but it reminds me of Jasper. Either way. Now, look how much closer to God, to Source, to angels when you, I don't know, that's how I feel right now. I'm very grateful. Ah, okay. Backpack off. Anywho. Okay, I'm gonna recoup myself. I'm gonna do a little bit of a meditation. I did it! Shoot, 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 shoot. I feel like Tom Sawyer or Huckleberry Finn. I'm just gonna enjoy this moment. Yeah, I've been here for a while. Started doing yoga on the freaking rock and things like that. Dude, if you were to see me just like ninja my way, where you go? Ninja my way from freaking there to here to there. Like a boss. I mean, we all gotta have a stick, you know. And it was right there. Behind those trees was that simple, beautiful, slow rushing river, many waterfalls, if that's what you want to say. I don't know. And then look, I don't know. It's just so pretty. So pretty. Wow. Just love how I can have the best experience anywhere, especially at this awesome store. Boom. And then I just had to. 8675.